Hello, code warriors and digital adventurers. We've all seen them. Those head-scratching glitches, they're the code fails and funny bugs that plague our digital world, causing equal parts annoyance and amusement. Today, we dive headfirst into this hilarious and sometimes costly territory, sharing real-life examples, learning valuable lessons, and maybe even preventing some future coding catastrophes along the way. Let's be honest, bugs happen to the best of us. From seasoned programmers to enthusiastic newbies, no one is immune. But sometimes the results are just too darn funny to ignore. Buckle up for a ride through some legendary bug blunders. First, think back to 1996, when a tiny semicolon cost millions of dollars. A small punctuation mark left out of the code sent the Mars Pathfinder haywire. It's a tale of how the smallest detail can have astronomical consequences. Let's recall the Facebook incident of 2015, when Facebook users logged in to find their profile pictures mysteriously replaced with majestic goats. A simple typo in a code update had turned the social media platform into a digital farmyard, leaving users bemused and entertained. And now, who can forget 2018 when Twitter users were left emojiless? A coding error replaced all heart emojis with a plain red dot, causing a global wave of confusion. Some saw it as a new form of minimalist art, while others were left wondering where the love had gone. These stories might bring a smile to our faces, but they also teach us some valuable lessons. We should always double-check our work. A second look at code can prevent silly mistakes from having big consequences. Now, these stories might be funny, but they also teach us some important lessons. Double-check everything. Just like proofreading your homework, taking a second look at your code can prevent silly mistakes that have big consequences. Testing is your friend. Imagine having someone check your work before you present it. That's what testing does for your code. The more you test, the fewer bugs you'll have. Follow the rules. Programmers have guidelines they follow, just like you have rules in school. These guidelines help write code that works well and avoids problems. Make test. Test and test, a golden rule. But learning doesn't have to be boring. Let's imagine some crazy what-if scenarios. Testing is also crucial. Think of it as having a friend check work before you hand it in, helping you catch errors before they become big problems, and finally, follow the rules. Just like any other profession, programmers have guidelines to help them write code that works well and avoids potential pitfalls. But learning doesn't have to be boring. Let's imagine some crazy what-if scenarios. What if your shopping cart starts adding random things based on what you look at online? Suddenly, you might find, oh my god, a charger or a night lamp in your groceries. What if a new app translates your word, hello suddenly, into funny cat sounds? Mew! Imagine the confusion and laughter when trying to talk to your friends with this app. What if your autocorrect decided to write poems instead of emails? Your boss might get a love sonnet instead of a meeting reminder. Even the best programmers encounter bugs sometimes. But by remembering these funny examples, following good practices, and keeping a positive attitude, we can all navigate the world of code with more confidence and maybe even a few laughs along the way. Share your own funny bug stories in the comments below. Let's learn and laugh together. Remember, coding is a fun and rewarding journey. And even when things go wrong, you can always find a way to learn and laugh. Thanks for joining us on this bug-busting adventure. Remember, the computer world might seem complicated, but even the most complex things are built on simple ideas. So keep exploring, keep learning, and keep having fun with technology. This is from Dr. Abha Khandelwal, Founder Association of All Computer Science Teachers. We'll meet next in some interesting videos. Have a good day. Till then, goodbye.